Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by looking at the screw head and choosing the right bit. This prevents stripping. Apply penetrating oil and wait 5–10 minutes so the lubricant penetrates threads. While you wait, fit a snug bit, no wobble, and heat the surrounding material lightly if metal. Heat expands and breaks corrosion bonds. Once done, use a firm, perpendicular stance so force transmits straight through the bit. Maintain controlled pressure, and prepare to switch to an impact tool if initial turns fail. You now focus on breaking the seizure without destroying the head. Start with quick torque pulses from an impact driver. Those shocks loosen rust better than steady force. If the head rounded, score a straight slot with a cutting wheel and use a flat bit. Keep reversing in short bursts to clear debris and prevent galling. If using heat, alternate short heat and cool cycles to avoid metal fatigue. Make sure to support nearby components so the screw turns freely instead of twisting the workpiece. You finish by extracting the screw carefully. Maintain steady counterclockwise motion and stop if resistance spikes. Capture the screw with a magnet or tape so small parts don't fall into assemblies. Clean the hole with solvent and check threads. If damaged, retap or install a helicoil. If the screw refuses to budge, use a proper extractor, weld a nut onto the head for added purchase, or as an absolute last resort, drill out the core. Slow, cool, and progressively larger bits to avoid damaging the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.